Okay, we are in Renigunta. This is our transit point. We're going to go to Tirumala from here, which is up on the hill. Then we come back down to Tirupati, which is lower. And from there, later on in the evening, we catch a train to Madurai. This is Super Shakti Kesar Badam Milk, Tirupati. Okay, it's a beautiful drive up to Tirumala. The temple is up there somewhere. We just stopped to look at the scenic beauty. I think most of this area, this whole hill probably is maintained by the temple, since it is one of the richest religious places in the world.
और दूर उन वादियों के पास कोहिमा. It's about 13 kilometers away from here.
The southbound team on Freedom Express has reached its third destination, which is Tirumala. The temple is right there behind me. Balaji temple is right behind me, and it's simply amazing.
Alright, things are getting a little tense here and interesting at the same time, because we are racing against time. We're supposed to reach Delhi at least by 7:45. We've just crossed the Bhadrapur border, and we're going towards New Delhi, and we're hoping to reach there on time. 8:25 is the last deluxe bus to Manali, and we're hoping to get on that.
Okay, if you're familiar with Tirumala and Tirupati, then you know about the shaven heads. Of course, you can see a lot of shaven heads around us. And these are a bunch of boys who waited for 27 hours?
28 hours.
28 hours totally before they got to do darshan of the god. How come you guys didn't shave?
It's a tradition.
We are Brahmins.
We are not supposed to do that.
It's a custom that the Brahmins don't do it, okay? Why do you take off it? Do you ask for something when you take off your hair?
Yeah. I feel better after shaving this.
Is it a fast way? I believe that it's like people sit in line and just come full speed and they cut keep on shaving.
It just took them 2 minutes to shave my head.
Whenever we come near Lord Venkatesha, we have to sacrifice everything by heart, by money, by handsomeness, by proudiness. We surrender our handsomeness by cutting total hairs from head, and we are cutting our mustache and surrendering our proudness, and we are totally surrendered to God by doing this. We for freedom! We for freedom!
मनाली चली गई भाई, आपको चंडीगढ़ से मिल जाएगी. हाँ बिल्कुल, मैं पैसे वापस नहीं उसको रास्ते में पकड़ दूंगा. और बोलो.
All right, now what we're doing is we came down to platform number 6 where the bus to Manali leaves. Well, the deluxe to Manali has already left. We were just 10 minutes late, but time is everything around here. All right, now we are really stressed on the Freedom Express because we need to get to Manali and we have to catch the bus from Chandigarh.
जो बस दिल्ली से मनाली के लिए निकला है, वो हम आपको चंडीगढ़ पकड़वा सकते हैं.
The Freedom Express वाहे गुरु के नाम लेकर चल पड़ो. All right. This bus left before us. We reached before this one. Thanks to him. Sir, thank you very much.
Okay, my first morning in Kohima. Nice hot cup of coffee. It's about 8:30 right now. We've come outside. The fog is lifted here, but if you can see, I'll show you across the hill on the other side of Kohima. It's still quite foggy if you just have a look that side. We're still going to get our umbrellas. We're going to head out and show you Kohima.
Okay, it's 9:50 on the 22nd of July. We have just reached Madurai. It's a hot day. We've had a long journey right through the night. Very little sleep. My bum is 2 sizes bigger, and I'm very dirty. So obviously the first thing that comes to my mind is bath. But this time also there's a little hunger problem. I'm also very hungry, so we're going to have a bath and go and eat something. While I am in this heat trying to find a hotel, I wonder what Gaurav and Yudi are doing, my counterparts, in the cooler parts of the country.
Legend has it that Lord Manu stepped off a boat to save mankind from this huge flood. Since then, this place has been called Manali. Yes, we are in Manali and it's around about 10:25. We've got to look for a hotel.
We're at the Kohima War Cemetery, which is one of the most prominent landmarks of Nagaland. This is basically built to honor all the people who lost their lives in World War II, all the Indian and British soldiers who fought the Japanese army. The Japanese army was advancing, the Japanese troops were advancing into India, and this is where they were stopped. This was the last battle. It's known as the Battle of the Tennis Court, but there's a tennis court up there. So let's go in. Come on. This cemetery, as you can see, is indeed very, very well maintained. Most of them have names of the soldiers on them, on the tombstones. But a lot of them actually just say a soldier of the war known unto God. When you go home, tell them of us and say, for your tomorrow, we gave our today.
Yeah, bags. Do you have rooms? Yes.
Purpose of visit? Freedom Express.
Behind me is the Meenakshi temple, built around 400 years ago, close to 400 years ago by the Pandya kings, and it's in Madurai, which means the southbound team of the Freedom Express has completed its 4th destination.
Well, I can now say that I've seen the most beautiful temple in my life. I only wish we had more time to go inside the temple.
Is this the reason why Madurai is so famous?
No, India is famous.
This is really crazy. Guess who's calling me right now? Purab.
Brother Yudi,
How are you, Purab?
I'm supposed to keep it short, so bye-bye.
Okay. Where are you? Where are you?
We are at Madurai, man.
Anyway, I've got to
your
tell
trip?
you some really good stuff because we've just reached Manali.
Wow.
We reached this morning and we checked into a really nice hotel that overlooks the Bias River.
Prab.
हाँ.
What's up, bro?
एक हाथ में गौरव कपूर, दूसरे हाथ में माइक.
दूसरे हाथ में मेरा, अरे मेरे साथ यही है. अच्छा किधर है भैया आप? मदुराई में?
We are in Madurai, man. We're standing outside the Meenakshi temple. It's gorgeous.
Okay, so how's it going with you? Tell me quickly, how's it going?
It's going good, yeah. We nearly got totally lost, bounced off track last night. What are you guys up to?
We're in Kohima right now. It's beautiful here, man. It's completely beautiful.
Tell me honestly, are you tired? I'm tired of running, man.
Huh? Yeah, no, we're not. We're having a good time.
No, we're also having a good time, but it's just, I mean, most of the nights we spend in transport, yeah.
You know, we missed the bus to Manali.
Oh, you missed the bus?
Yeah, we got a really nice bus driver who literally tore the tar on the Delhi-Chandigarh highway to get us to Chandigarh.
Huh.
And then we reached Chandigarh and we managed to catch the same bus we missed from Delhi to Manali. So it's been
Man, what
high
are you doing?
adventure.
You're chasing buses.
It's been high adventure here, man.
Take care of yourself.
Take care,
okay?
brother. Have a good
Okay.
trip.
We'll
Yeah?
touch base again. Okay, bye-bye.
Yeah, bye.